Hello, here is copper, silver and steel. Welcome back to the off-grid system series, and today we are going to talk about the wind turbine blades made from PVC pipe. So if you are interested in how to make it, how to get the proper template, just stay tuned and we will start very soon. Alright, so I have decided to make this video because there are several videos on the internet how to make the wind turbine blade from the PVC pipe, but they are very inaccurate and they do not give the correct template, which is crucial because if you want to make a perfect blade, you need to be very repeatable, so they must be exact the same. So in today's video I will give you all the details and things that are important, that are necessary. So first of all, you need a PVC pipe, sewage system pipe. This is 160 millimeters in diameter and the length of the pipe was 1 meter. So basically now this is the remaining part, because from one PVC pipe 1 meter long, 16 centimeters in diameter, you can make 4 blades. So you get 3 blades. This is my wind turbine system is a 3 blade turbine, and 1 blade. The remaining is a spare part. My turbine is already up and running and the remaining part is here, so now I decided to make a video to show you the process. Okay, so the plotting paper, which is very crucial, will be needed to make this front part template, and some tape to make the rest of the blade. So how to do this? Well, this is the dimensions of this shape. I have looking for some profiles in some white papers in the internet, and this is of course without curvation, but this shape angles, the sharp angles, is very easy to reproduce in your conditions. So basically, let's start from the pipe. You are cutting pipe into 4 pieces. If this pipe is 16 centimeters, if you calculate the overall length of the circle, 2 multiplied by 3.13 pi constant multiplied by 18, because the half of the diameter is 18, you will get that more than 50 centimeters in overall length. If you just divide it into 4, you will get 12 centimeters plus some loose from materials. So this is this template is prepared for 16 centimeters in diameter pipe. So I will also put the link in the description to download this in some vector format. But even if you don't have a plotting machine, you can cut this from the paper. So 12 centimeters, 12 centimeters, going 4 centimeters down, and this is 75% angle. Then we go 3 centimeters down and 8 centimeters. Here is a remaining part when bolts for mounting will be placed. All right. So after you cut your pipe, of course, this part which is used to connect, the overall length of this pipe is 1 meter plus this remaining part. Of course, I have cut it already, but to calculate, you can use template to calculate the distance from one side to another. This is 3-dimensional object, so you need to put it. As you can see, if you put, you will get line here and line here. Or you could use ruler and perpendicular things to calculate the exact parts. So you need to split it into 4 same quarters. So this is a quarter of this pipe. Okay, so if you have cut it into 4 identical parts like this, which will be our aerodynamic profile, you take this template, be careful, pay attention to place it exactly at the corner in here, and to have a exact align in here and in here. And if you do this, you'll start drawing with your pencil. So I will show you how to do this now. So I'm drawing this line and marking the end. It is crucial because this is the beginning, but at the end, the shape of the blade will be presented in the video, but the shape will be like this. So we get this part going down and mount. Okay, and here we need 4 centimeters at the top of the blade, but there will be also image. Okay, so now let's go to the front, because it's a huge part, and I found the best way is to use a tape. So now we need to take our shape, our template, and mark 4 centimeters, not 5, 4 centimeters from this very top. So here is mount, there will be mounting points, and here's the top. So 4 centimeters, not 5, 4. The best way is to use this plotting paper because you can bend it. So we mark 4 centimeters in here. So here is 4 centimeters. Okay, starting from here to here. And now the crucial part is to take this tape, do it a little bit. Now we try to show you because it will be difficult, because so we need to start exactly. Maybe I will cut this away. So we need to start from here by touching it exactly in the spot, and by having this in air, we need to move to our end. And then we use it. So we are going from the beginning to our 4 centimeters end. So if you do this, you will have this shape. This line is the cutting line for your electric grinder. I use the electric grinder to cut this on this line here. So then you go here, you cut this, and this is your blade. So this is all, and basically the whole process. So you start from this template, and then using tape you are drawing, I mean you are giving this exact moment. Don't try to make this in 4 parts to get by bending together and cutting, because of this high thickness here you will get a lot of offsets, and this blade won't be perfect the same. You need always use the template and draw on the PVC pipe. So I think it's all for now. Thanks for watching. There will be some videos about how the turbine is performing, but this 1 meter blades perform like most of the Chinese wind turbines, which are much more expensive. And I must say that I'm really excited, and I'm really overwhelmed with the performance of this blade. I wasn't expecting that they will be spinning so fast, and yeah, so Also, don't forget to use a paint because this is not UV protected, and in the winter there could be also problem with this, but for a summer season it works. For test it works really fine and costs a fraction of the money of the rest of the original blades, I mean, from some company. So thanks for watching. It was copper, silver and steel, and see you later.